Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We're checking out more SunGold Power stuff because they got so much amazing equipment coming out for DIY solar power systems. And if you're in a hurry and just trying to get a discount, feel free to use the links in the comments or the description to get over this page, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. You can be one of the first people to take advantage of the limited deal. For everybody else, we're going to be taking a close look at SunGold Power's new 10 kilowatt hybrid inverter. It's got 48 volt split phase grid feedback, and you can run this without a battery, which is going to be ideal for some systems. So the main product features of this system, you got 10 kilowatt 48 volt split phase hybrid inverter is the main function, and it's got single phase pure sine wave output. Supports 2 solar inputs, simultaneously tracking of 2 solar maximum power. The important thing about that is when everything runs through one MPPT, if you have something shadowed or in the shade or something like that, it's going to pull the voltage down for the entire solar system. But if you have 2 different MPPTs, you can really maximize the amount of power you pull in from your solar panels. You can have the same amount of solar panels but get more power. And this is a great upgradable system. It supports 6 inverters in parallel. Both of those dual MPPTs are 99% efficiency, maximum 25 amp current in a single circuit, which is pretty good. And another great feature, these are compatible with lead acid or lithium ion batteries and other battery setups. So you can upgrade your older systems with a new inverter and not have to upgrade everything else. And this supports 4 different voltage levels, 100, 105, 110, 120, and 127 voltage AC per phase. This has a lot of great protection features built right in. It's got input current protection from the PV, the solar panel input current protection. It's got solar input over voltage protection. It's got AC output short circuit protection, battery over voltage protection. All these different voltage protections are all built right in to keep this inverter safe for you. And it's got various different work modes, which is really great. Depending on your application, you can be able to configure this device perfectly for the most efficiency. So the inverter provides multiple work modes based on different requirements. You got self-use, peak shift, and bat priority. You got the solar energy providing power to loads as the first priority. If solar energy is insufficient to power all connected loads, solar energy excess power will provide the charge to the battery, then redundant power will feed to the grid. So basically you can change the ordering of the power and charging and things like that to maximize efficiency or maximize generating power to the grid, which may be your goal to actually generate money using this solar system. And the Wi-Fi function is really nice to have. It supports remote monitoring and it's upgraded and it's got automatic battery management all built right in. SunGold Power makes some really great batteries, so these are compatible and they work great together. This hybrid inverter is really large at 10 kilowatts. You can get more in parallel, which is really great to have. And you can include batteries right from this page. You can get 20 kilowatt hours of battery built right on, and there's a huge discount going on right now, which is unbelievable. Feel free to use the links in the comments or description if you want to get over here to this page and take advantage of this deal while it lasts. And you can always subscribe to my channel 100% for free by just clicking the subscribe button. Stay updated on this new equipment and deals that are going on right now, but make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to find out.